What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor? What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor? I met this fly girl in the club, went by the name of Pecan Deluxe. This ice cream was high maintenance. When I took her out, nearly cost me $20. Met the chick named Won't Up, it nearly made me sick to the point of throwing up. So I called chocolate chip with the sweet toffee crisp, and I still can't get enough. You're what I want, you're what I need. I wanna taste you, take you home with me. Your lips so good, good enough to eat. I wonder if I could feel your rubber. I could be your fantasy. What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor? 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 I took them in the middle of July with the drop top down in the park when the summer in. These ice creams looking so fly that I just can't lie.
Intanto 1:09:87 Alberto Pesce vira avanti a metà gara.
Better stack cheddar, get more tongues better than this ice cream better than you what I want, you what I need. I wanna taste you, take you home with me, take you home with me. So good, I wonder if I could feel your rubber. I could be your fantasy. What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor?
Per la prima serie nuoteranno Marco Barison, Mirano in 1, corsia 2 Matteo Zampese, schio nuoto. In corsia numero 3 Cristian Ferraro, vice campione italiano giovanile dei 200 rana per il Veneto Banca Montebelluna. In corsia 4 il bronzo ai giovanili classe 96 nei 200 rana, Riccardo Cervi, Veneto Banca Montebelluna. In corsia numero 5 per l'anno 98 ha vinto il titolo italiano giovanile dei 200 rana comprimato della manifestazione Giovanni Izzo, President Bologna. Corsia 6 Emanuele Olivi, Mirano Nuoto. In 7 Davide Pegorin, Idros. In corsia 8 Luca Boscaro, Plan Team Veneto. Intanto Leonardo Lucato 2:25:45 va in testa alla classifica provvisoria.